So today I'm going to be doing a dog clothing haul for you guys. I know that a lot of you request a lot of videos to do with Honey and Cookie, which are my two chihuahuas, so I'm trying to come up with ideas. Some of these clothes you guys have seen before, some you haven't, some are new, some are old. But in the other ones that I've showed previously, I think I just did like a little video of them and I didn't actually talk about the clothes or where they're from or anything like that. So this time I'm actually going to go into more detail and explain where I got everything and all the sizes and everything like that. So I'm going to start off with Cookies. Cookie doesn't have as big a variety of clothes as Honey does. That is because I've had Honey for almost 6 years and I've had Cookie for almost 3. So there's just that bit of extra time built up that I have got Honey more clothes than Cookie. But in saying that, Honey is easier to buy clothes for because she is on the chunkier side, whereas Cookie is quite thin and petite. So finding clothes small enough to fit her is actually quite a big struggle. And I don't know why, but recently Pet Barn isn't doing as many small dog clothes. They're doing more like small, medium, large, extra large instead of the extra small, extra small, which they used to do. So I hope they bring that back because that is the size that Cookie is, and I love their clothes. They're so cute. So I'm just going to put a disclaimer out there. If you don't like dogs or animals in clothing, then don't watch this video because this video is literally all about my dogs and their wardrobes and their dresses and their clothes and what they like would wear for events and occasions in spring and summer. So if you don't like that kind of stuff, then don't watch this video. Just go to the next one. There's a lot more others that you don't have to watch on YouTube. Okay, so let's start. So the first item that I'm going to show you is actually something that both Honey and Cookie can wear. It is this little sunflower hat. I did get this from Pet Barn and I think it is either size extra small or size small. It doesn't actually have the size tag in it, but it was just really cute. I think it was around the $9.95. But it is so sweet and they just look so cute in it, as you'll see in some of the videos. So that is why I thought I'll show you guys this first because this will pop up in some of their clothing videos. So the first item I'm going to show you is Cookie's little harness. So whenever I go for a walk, as long as it's not too hot, I'll put her in this because I just feel like she's more secure in it. Whereas with her collar, she can still like sometimes get that over her head. So I just feel like this just holds her a bit better for me. And I just feel like she's more safe in it. Plus it's really cute. So I got this one from Pet Barn and this one is size extra small. It is still a little bit too big for her, but it fits her quite well. The next item I'm going to show you, I actually bought for Honey when she was little, but I don't even know if I ever got her to wear this one. I did get it from eBay and it is size, doesn't say. It doesn't have a size, but it's this little like pinafore sort of fruity dress with little strawberries all over it. The next item I'm going to show you is this really sweet little spotty dress with a big flower on it. This is the dress that I get Cookie to wear when we go to things like Floriade or the Tulip Top Gardens, which unfortunately I can't take Cookie to Floriade this year because it just falls on a weekend that I'm working, so I can't take her to the doggy day out, but I do think I am going to take her to Tulip Top Gardens this weekend so that she can wear this and she can look all cute in the photos and everything. So that is what I plan to do. I did get this one from Pet Barn and it is in size extra small. The next thing I have is this little tutu from Kmart. This is too big for her, so I do need to just take it in a bit, but it's really cute because they both have little matching ones. The next one is like a little nighty dress t-shirt. It just says check me out. This one is from Pet Barn and it is size extra small. These ones just fit her really well and they just look really cute. So it's kind of like a t-shirty bit that looks kind of like a nightie in a way. And there's a similar one which just says glamour to the bone and it's just in size extra small and it's just got the cheetah print, which I thought was really sweet. This one is cute, but it is an odd size. So it's kind of wide but really short. So it fits her, but it's more like a peplum tank top on her than it is on a dress. It is in a size 2 extra small, so extra small. and it is from Pet Barn. So it is kind of an odd size. I like the style, but it doesn't look as cute on as some other dresses do, but it's still sweet. The next one I got is again from Pet Barn. It was in their Valentine's range probably 2 or 3 years ago when I had Honey, but it was too small for her, so I never put it on her. It is in the size extra small, and it is just this cute little red Valentine's-y dress. The next one I have is this little singlet for her. It is in size extra small. Again, it is from Pet Barn, and it just says girls do it better, and I'm fairly sure Honey has a matching one. I think she does. This is another extra little nightie I got for them for, I don't know. Oh no, I got Honey this one when I was having a pajama party because I thought it looked like a little nightie. So I ended up getting Cookie one in the same style, and it just says Mummy's Princess, and it is in size extra extra small. So the next one I'm going to show you I actually really love. I think this is probably my second favourite of Cookies. It just says Mummy's Girl, and it is actually spelt with a U, so it is Australian spelling, which is really good. It is black with the little zebra print, and zebra print is my favourite animal print. If I was to have something like in the animal print, that is what I go for. My bedroom when I was 13, 14, it was purple. I painted the walls purple, and I had a black and white zebra print doona cover with like my makeup table had a zebra print on the chair, and then on my chest of drawers it was zebra print, and I made it look so cool. I loved it. But yeah, I've changed a bit. It's all white now. So yes, this is another one of Cookies, and it is in size extra small from Pet Barn, and I love the little hood. I think the hoods on dogs just look so cute. This is another one from Pet Barn, which is kind of oddly shaped. Again, it could be like one of those little tank tops instead of a dress because it is just so short. It is in size 2 extra small, and it is from Pet Barn, but it is such a cute style that it just looks so sweet, and it's such a pretty colour against her skin, so I won't complain. Her skin, her fur. They're my babies, okay? And then lastly of Cookies is this really cute little pretty dress. It is just a white bit up here with the little collar, and then the frilly checkety red bottom dress bit, and it's really sweet. Can you just appreciate how cute they are right now? All the time. I'm just in love. I'm so in love. Okay, so now we are on to Honey's clothes. So what I think I haven't done is I don't think I've actually filmed Honey in this dress yesterday, and I don't know why. I think I just left it in the cupboard by accident. So this is Honey's little flower pretty dress that if I were to take her to Floriade, she'd be wearing this, but again, I think I might take her to Tulip Top Gardens this weekend, and she can wear this one and Cookie can wear her one, and then they're kind of matchy-matchy but not. So this is their pretty little flower dresses. This one is in size small, and it is from Pet Barn. So in a lot of these you will see that they do have matching clothes. I do like to have matchy-matchy. I just feel like they look really cute in matchy sometimes. And then in other times they've got like matching but different colours, so the opposite colour of whatever it was. So yeah, you will see that quite a bit in this. So this is Honey's one. It is in size small, and it is from Pet Barn, and again it just says Mummy's Princess. And here is Honey's tutu, which it does fit her. It is just in size small. This is one of those little nighty dress t-shirt things, and it just says I do what I want in pink army print, and it is just size small, and it is from Pet Barn as well. I really do think this one is cute. This is another one of my favourite dresses of Honey's. It is just a pretty little flower dress with a big pink bow, which again, maybe I'll wear this. Maybe I'll get her to wear this one on the weekend when we go to Tulip Top Gardens, because I think that'll look really cute. It is just such a sweet little dress. Like if I had a daughter, like an actual baby daughter, I'd probably put her in a dress like this because it's so cute. So this one is in size small, and it is from Pet Barn as well. If you have seen my other videos, you would have seen this lacy white top before with the pearls and the big yellow ribbon, because this has been around for a really long time now, but it is still one of my favourites. It just feels It's just got such like a classy look to it. Like I feel like if I was to take her to my grandparents or something like that, I'd put her in this because it is just such like a sweet little look, if that makes sense. My explaining isn't always that great, as you'll soon to learn to realise. My grammar ain't great either. We'll work on that. So this other one, oh sorry, that white and yellow one is from eBay and I don't know what size it is, I'm sorry. I did get that like 5-6 years ago. So this little pink one is such a pretty like birthday sort of style dress, which is why I did buy it for her one day. It was for one of her birthdays. I think it was her second or her third birthday. I bought her this little dress. It is in size small and it was from Pet Barn. Here is another pretty dress. Honey has some of the prettiest dresses. This is why I wish that Pet Barn would start bringing out more size extra small dresses so that Cookie could have some really pretty dresses too, because Honey just has like the best dress collection. So this is from Pet Barn and it is in size small again, and it is just a pretty little colourful dress with all these little love hearts over it with this big pink bow, which just adds really cute touch to it. A lot of these dresses also have the tulle underneath, but when you feel it, it isn't that uncomfortable tulle where if you were to wear it, it'd be itchy, because I'd hate to put that on my dogs and make them feel itchy, but it isn't, it's kind of like a soft tulle, if that makes sense. The next one is the same matching hoodie with Cookie where it just says Mummy's Girl. The good thing about these ones is that they're really thin, so that when it's still kind of cold at the moment, they can wear these and it will still give them that little bit of warmth, but it won't overheat them and it won't make them cold. So these are good. This one is in size small and it is from Pet Barn. Now Honey has a few harnesses. I think she's got 3. I don't actually know where my favourite one of hers is. It is like a pink polka dot one, which if you guys again see my other videos or see my photos on Instagram and stuff, she's in that one a lot because I just feel like it's such a cute one. But this is the same style, it's just a different print. It is just like a more purpley style, which suits her purple lead if she wears this one. So this one is from Pet Barn and it is in size small. Here is another one kind of similar to Cookie's one. I'll show you. So this is what I mean. They have similar style, but it's different pattern or it's different color, and I just think when they wear things like this together, it just looks so cute. As you can see, the size difference is quite big. So this one is size extra small and this one is size small. So Honey, that just kind of gives you an idea of how curvaceous Honey is compared to Cookie. And here is the matching little singlet that she has with Cookie. This one is just in size small. I really like this one since it is all stripy and it's just the colours look really pretty. I think the blue and the pink just make it look just, I don't know, it's just really pretty. I like how they've added the blue into it because sometimes blues just look so nice on dogs and things like that. And it just says all I want is everything. This one is in size small and it is from Pet Barn as well. Here is another really pretty dress that Honey owns. It is purple with the stripes and the polka dots, and it is just in size extra small. It is the same sort of style as her other ones that she has, but I just feel like this style of dress just looks so pretty. Like it complements her curves very well. So this is a birthday dress that I bought for Honey a couple of years ago, I think. It is from Pet Barn. Oops, sorry. And it is size small. This one is actually a little bit too big for her, but it still fits her. It is just a cute little party dress with a little cupcake on it, which I just think is really adorable. And that one again is from Pet Barn, I think. I said that. I don't know what I said. I can't remember, but it's from Pet Barn. This is her other harness. This isn't the one I was talking about. There is the other one which is closer to the other style harness with the longer butt, like the frilly bit and bigger spots, but this is her other small one which matches Cookie's actually. As you can see, these ones are quite similar. It's just different tones and different sort of little bits of different bits and pieces and bobs. So this is Honey's. It is in size small. This one again is a little bit like big on her in a way, but it still fits her, similar to Cookie's, whereas the other ones fit just a bit better. I don't know. And last but not least, this has featured in my other videos, and it is Honey's little bikini, which so I'm just going to be honest, a lot of these clothes, they do not wear, like, I wouldn't even say they wear 10% of the time. They wear these clothes for photos, and if I take them to things like the Floriade or the Tulip Gardens or like to family events and stuff like that, then they'll wear like a pretty little dress, but that is maybe like 5% in the whole entire year. The most they wear is their jumpers in winter, and that is just to keep them warm. So just putting it out there, they do not wear this. She would not wear this all day because she'd just pee in it. And that wouldn't be great. Imagine if you need to go to the toilet and you've got this bloody little thing in your butt. So this is pretty much just for photo purposes only. Like if I was to take you to the beach like I have before and she's worn this and it was just a good photo opportunity. Just to put that out there. So it is from Pet Barn and it is in size small. And it is honestly, it is the cutest little bikini. I love it. It's so cute. I think it's so, so sweet. I'm in love. But yes, that is what that is for. Anyways, I really hope you like this video. If you want to see any more sort of dog style-y videos, then give me ideas, because I do need ideas to include my dogs in my videos somehow. There's only so much I can buy for them and show you guys, because my money too, I do not have unlimited money just to spend like on their like clothes and stuff all the time. So I can't always do big hauls, which is why I've included clothes that is new and which is old, because I haven't done one of these videos for a while. But yeah, if you would like to see any more dog related videos, then please let me know what you would like to see. But anyways, I hope you guys have a good day and I will see you later. Bye!